Yes, this October 2011 41 variant question number 3, and how to solve this kind of question. First of all, job number 1, I will make x, this y-axis compulsory, and then check it. This force 12 and 40 is angle. This is not a hard job to do it. So it means I will make it one force parallel to x-axis and one force parallel to y-axis, because this 40 given, so this is a 40. So I can say this is a 40, and you know it very well. First write force and then cause and then angle. And what about this? First write force, then sine and then angle. And same this 40, I think we can make it easily this also. Okay. So one force parallel acting to x-axis and one parallel to y-axis. And you know it very well, this 40, how come? You can see this force and this angle, same. And with angle 10 cos 40, and without this angle given is 12 sine 40. So this is a, I hope so, clear point. Now problem left only with this force. I can do this in two ways. I will tell you both ways, okay, whatever you like and do it. For example, what is this angle 40? And for your knowledge, this is y-axis. And what is angle between x and y-axis? 90 degree. Out of this 90, if you subtract 40, you get a 50. So this is 50. And when you talk about 50, you can see that this box means from here till here is 90 degree. And out of 90, subtract 50, I got 40. So this is 40. You see, 50 plus 40 give you 90. That is for sure. Now I have two options. I just tell you, there's a parallel to x-axis. I have two options. Either I use 40 and the force, so this force will become 40 and become 50 cos 40. One option. And this becomes 50 sine 40. So you can compare your answer with my this, especially this one option. This, it means 100% correct, not wrong at all. Second option, what I'm going to do is the other way option. The other option is what, my students? I will take not 40. This is a, again, you know, this is a y-axis, a x-axis. An angle between here to here is 90 degree. Out of 90, subtract 40, so this becomes 50. So if I use 50 or if I use 40, no problem at all. I repeat, so this 50 comes here, one option, or this 40 comes here, second option. So answer will not affect. So I write 50. So what about this 50 cos 50? Repeat, force come before, then cos, and then angle comes here. So I believe his point is very clear. Other one is 15 sine 50. So I believe all forces are properly resolved. Now, what is the first question? He is asking us direction in AB line. Where is AB line, my students? B is here, A is here. So short story, he talk about this one, and this is called RX. So in short story, when he say parallel to RX, parallel to AB, in direction of AB, it means he is asking RX. And when he say perpendicular to AB, it means he asking RY. So I think the point is very, very clear. Why? Because this is AB and this is called perpendicular, 90 degree, and this is called RY. So let's start. So job number one, I'm going to find RX and then RY. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. RX. And you know it very well. What is the basic criteria? The right side forces I take as a start from here. This is positive, and this is negative. Repeat again. Rightward forces we take positive, leftward forces we take negative. So let's start. 12 cos 40 plus 12 cos 40. I wrote these two forces. I believe it's clear. And now this force is acting left side, so it's a minus sign. So I'm writing now minus 15 cos 50. And now I'm typing it in calculator. 12 times 2 cos 40 and plus into 2, y into 2, because 2 time and minus 15 times 2 cos 50. I type in my calculator and my answer is coming Rx 8.7433 newtons. So Rx is done. Now I'm going for Ry. So let's see, student, how to get Ry. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is acting. Okay, before I start, R upwards is deal as a positive, downward deal as a negative. So this is upward, this is upwards, and this is acting downwards. So it's a very clear approach. So I will take upward as a positive. So 15 sine 50 plus 12 sine 40 minus 12 sine 40. Hold on. This is same, and so cancel out because same values, opposite sign. And I can say I got Ry in no time, 15 times 2 sine 50. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, 11.4907 newtons. So I got both values. It means I got Rx. This is a part number 1. I got a Ry. There's a part number 2. I believe this is okay because he was asking Ry, Rx and Ry. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now, where majority student confused how to find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force. And I said many times, for that reason, I will make a new cross. Okay, wait a minute. I'll make a new cross like that, like this. Okay, you know it very well. Our Rx is, what is Rx? Check it. Is it positive or negative? If it's a positive, I will make right side. If it's a negative, I will make left side. So point is very clear, 8.7433. So this force, I make it 8.7433. Okay, now I make it Ry. What is Ry, my students? Positive again, 11.4907. Don't make it here, wrong. Make where is the first arrow is ending. So I make it here. I repeat again, this is I'm making here. This is Ry. And what is that? I write again 11.4907. 11.4907. And this is called, my students, resultant force. Okay, resultant force. This is R. Okay, and this is a 90 degree, and this is called theta. So first of all, I will use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. I save my time. I'm writing directly. I believe is nothing hard. So please take 4 dp or more accurate. I save my time. I directly take a root of that. So I'm getting 8.7433. Okay, power 2, and root of that, I'm getting 14.4 newtons. I got a finally resultant force, and he was asking us that find out magnitude of resultant force. I got it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now he's asking direction of that. So first of all, find theta. And how to find theta, students? So theta is equal to tan inverse of opposite by adjacent. 11.4907 and divided by 8.7433. How I got it? Opposite is this, adjacent is this. And let me type it. Tan inverse 11.4907 and divided by 8.7433. And my answer is coming here 52.7 degree. But for your knowledge, this is itself in a first quadrant, and it is a same with the x-axis. So direction is what I'm writing here. So direction is also same. Direction is equal to 52.7 degree with x-axis, and you are bound to write this x-axis logic because reference is very important, and the point is, I hope so, clear.